I just built a full website, live, hosted, and SEO ready by typing a few sentences and waiting a few minutes. No coding required, no templates used, no developer, and it was super beginner friendly. And the craziest part is that this is one of the best AI website builders that I've ever tested. And I've tried Lovable, Base 44, Wix, Replit, and so much more. It's called GoDaddy Airo AI Builder, and you could find it by going to airo.ai. By the end of this video, you're gonna know all the different things that you could do with it, how to actually use it, and how this can become your unfair advantage if you're building a business or a side hustle in 2026. Now, the reason that I love using GoDaddy Airo Builder is because it's an incredibly easy way to be able to create a modern app or a website, period. In addition to that, it's beginner friendly and it's super affordable. You simply come over here and type in the prompt that you want to actually create and you can get building for free. For example, I could come over here and I could say something like, I want to build a website for my AI agency that's focused on helping creators automate their workflow. Click on start building for free. And this goes ahead and does it. Because here's exactly what this does. This now brings this up right here where we're going to be able to chat with this incredibly easy. We can see that my prompt is in here. I want to build a website for my AI agency that's focused on helping creators automate their workflow. This is going to go through and ask me a bunch of different questions. I'm going to name it Creator OS. Our ideal clients are going to be social media influencers and content creators. And the main thing that we want to be able to do is I'm going to go through and do sell automations or courses right here. And then this is actually going to go through and this is going to begin to actually build this out. We could see that it's now going to ask us questions around what the visual style is. I'm going to go with bold and futuristic. And what kind of tone should we have? I'm going to do practical and results driven. This is going to keep asking us questions until it has all the context that it needs in order to actually build this. And as we can see right here, it typically takes just a few minutes in order to build. And that's a huge upgrade because in the past, it would take you weeks, if not even months to go from idea to having a website up for your business or your side hustle. In addition to that, what I really love about this is we can actually click on this microphone right here and use voice prompting instead of having to type out. It's pretty difficult for me to show that off because I'm recording using my microphone, so I don't want that to get jacked up and then you guys won't be able to hear me talk, but you get the point. This makes it incredibly easy to be hands-free and telling it exactly what you want. And AI is incredibly good if you give it a brain dump of all the things that you want it to be in here or all the things you want to change or your feelings about it. It will actually do it for you. Now we can see this has gone through and this has grabbed this right here with our custom palette, exactly what our home hero is going to look like. It has our fonts, our colors, our hero image, and now it's going to build the header, the footer, generate the logo in parallel. And that's what makes it so quick because it's doing all of this at once in parallel. And as we can see right here, this works for several different types of things. We could build web apps, we could build websites, you could build online stores, dashboard, portfolios, pretty much anything you could think of. And what really makes this powerful is that Airo AI Builder is actually built on GoDaddy's proven stack. So you have custom domains, built-in hosting, and enterprise level security all right here. In fact, I personally use GoDaddy to host all of my different websites and I have like 10 of them. And their hosting has 99.9% uptime. It's secure by default with automatic SSL, DDoS protection, backups, and best practice hardening. And this allows you to grow without having to switch stacks. You keep control of your code and your content. You can plug it into the tools that you love and scale from hello world to hundreds of thousands of users. And by the way, Airo AI Builder costs less than Wix, Squarespace, Lovable, Replit, and Base 44. And the other thing that I really love here is that this is built with SEO and AEO in mind. So it's going to be incredibly easy for you to get found from people on ChatGPT, Claude Gemini, or just from Google right out of the gate from the build because it's building with those things in mind. Now, before I show you how easy it is to actually edit this thing and change anything you want, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started today for free with 50 credits and no credit card required. Because your idea could go live today and you could get started with it today for free. So now that this is actually done here, I want to show you exactly what this looks like because this isn't just some brochure. This is a real website. So if we actually come over here and click on preview, this is going to open this up right here. We'll be able to see everything about this website. We could see that we could click on view case studies. This literally goes through all of these actual case studies. If we come over to courses, we have the actual courses. And if we actually click in to buy one of these, which is pretty incredible, is that this has actually already gone through and set up a Stripe sandbox that we can claim. So this this isn't just some shell website, it is actually functional. In addition to that, if I come back over here, back to this preview, we could see that we could do tons of different things here. For example, scroll down here, we could add these things to our cart. We have all these numbers. Looks incredibly professional. I didn't have to code anything, and this looks great. Now let's say we wanted to edit things. That's incredibly easy to do. As we could see right here, we have this bar where we could go through and see what this will look like on other devices. For example, I want to see what this looks like on a mobile device. Let's say I want to be able to edit something. I could simply just click on edit right here, and I could come over here and change whatever I actually want, right? So stop creating bad content, we can add that instead, and boom, it'll do that. We could fix typos in grammar, we could add something as a reference, or we could actually edit it inside of here. For example, I'm going to say, make this more convincing / hook people in better, and then this will actually go through, and this will then drop this in here, and this will actually begin to edit anything. In addition to that, we can also see on the left hand side right here that I had asked this to optimize for search engines, which was the next thing that I wanted to show you after this goes through and actually edits this. And this actually did an SEO and AEO audit report that's going to be pretty crazy. So now we could see that this actually went through and changed this, and we could see the headline now leads with an outcome the creator actually wants. More input, less grind, rather than a command. And we could see that if we come back up over here, we could see that SEO audit that this actually went through and did. So we could see, if we click into view details right here, all the different things that need to actually be changed about this for SEO, all the things that need to be changed for AEO, and getting it to actually do this is literally as simple as us just telling it to fix all of the changes. We could say something like, can you fix SEO / AEO changes that were mentioned earlier? So this literally makes it incredibly easy to be able to edit anything that you could possibly think of about this from an SEO standpoint, from a backend standpoint, from getting things set up standpoint. We could see that this is now going through and working on all 8 of these files right here incredibly quickly. Now, while that actually goes off and does that, I did want to show you a bunch of other things. So we can see that we have the website right here. If we come under domain, this is where we can actually change this. If we wanted to buy a domain or we wanted to add our own custom domain, we would be able to do that from here. If we come over into settings right here, this is where we could download the project. We can invite other people. We could create a clone link. So basically anybody with this link can create their own copy of Creator OS, which is pretty awesome. In addition to that, if we come over into the analytics, we could see that once we actually publish this, we'll be able to track analytics right here. They have marketing campaigns, so we can literally ask this to create a marketing campaign for us. This will then go through and create the content tailored to your business that can be published across different social media channels. In addition to that, if we come under here into brand, we can see that this is basically our brand identity. We have our logos, we have everything right here with the color palette, logo on brand colors, font pairing, all of the fonts, everything, which is pretty incredible. If we click into this, we could see everything else. We could see the inbox, we could see the logo, we could create media, security, different secrets that we have stored, our code, our backups, and everything. In addition to that, we can see that this is actually queuing multiple different builds here by going through and changing all of these things about this SEO, which is awesome. And this is almost done here now because worked on 8 items here, 3 items here, 2 items here, 5 items here, and now this is done. And on top of that, it just ran another report, which we could go through and we could actually change right here. If there are other issues, we could still see that there are a few left after this actually went through. What it did was found new issues when other things came up. But I don't want to do that right now. We will save that for later. The next thing that I wanted to show you is if we actually click on this plus right here, it's pretty cool is you could actually upload a reference file. You could take a screenshot. You could upload a file or a media library and get it to actually build based on that. For example, if you were inspired by something, you could upload a screenshot or paste a link to it and it will build something based on that. Or you could paste an existing site URL and watch it modernize it, change it, which is pretty incredible. On top of that, you could also access this from the go, from your phone. So you could prompt on your phone, you could walk away and come back to a finished site, which is pretty awesome. So you don't have to be sitting here while this is building. And let's say that you actually wanted to A/B test this landing page right here or something like that. This makes it incredibly easy for you to be able to spin up multiple different versions of this and be able to do this. In addition to that, if you run an agency, you could actually work on multiple websites at one time right here by being able to see all, which is just great. And I want you to think about just how powerful this is, because we literally just went from just an idea, a simple prompt, to a fully publishable website. It's already got Stripe connected. We could accept payments. It's SEO and AEO ready. We could build out our marketing right here, all in the last few minutes. Now, if we come over here and click on publish, we could see that we go through and we could find the perfect domain for us to be able to publish on. If we wanted to customize this, we could use a domain that we have elsewhere, or we just do this as a free project URL, click on publish, and just like that, this is published, this is live, it's up and running. And from my perspective, I have literally paid developers tens of thousands of dollars, gone back and forth with them for weeks or months, and they still weren't even able to build what this built in just a few minutes. And again, you could get started with it today for free. So if you've been sitting on a business idea because you don't code, you don't have a developer, and you don't want to spend weeks fighting with a template builder, that excuse is finally gone, because this is the future of building online and it's available to everyone right now. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below, grab your 50 free credits with no credit card required, and build your site or app with AI in the next few minutes. And then come back and tell me in the comments below what you built.